Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. This ensures devices appear. Once done, swipe down twice to expose quick settings and locate the media card. Tap the media output icon or the small device list on the media card to reveal available syncs. You should see speakers, TV, or connected earbuds. If a device is paired but not listed, make sure it's powered and in range, then refresh the list by closing and reopening the media card. You now pick the target device from the displayed list. Touch the name to route sound immediately. If available, select multi-output to play on phone and speaker simultaneously. This is handy for parties. Make sure to test playback and use the on-screen volume slider to control that device specifically, because phone volume and output device volume can be independent. If routing video, confirm the TV or cast receiver supports the codec. If not, change app settings or pick another device for smoother playback. You finish by playing your chosen media and watching for sync and quality. If audio is delayed or missing, stop playback and reselect the output device. Simple switching often clears glitches. If that fails, toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, power cycle the accessory, and reconnect. Make sure the app has permission to use nearby devices and that firmware is current on all hardware. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio drops repeatedly, restart both your phone and the accessory before deeper network or codec changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.